Hello fam, what is up? We got some slime. And ready? Hold on. Yeah, you guys kind of support it with 2 hands. I was just gonna leak. Plus, look at this, ready? I'm gonna see this bottle that goes into it. Oh gosh. Oh, I'd have been bad. But first, slime. Oh! Slimy. Oh no. And, like, people at my school have heard of me being a YouTuber, so go to. Oh gosh, that is not good. That is probably the worst thing that's happened to me today. My slime. Oh no, I got all of my. It's so fine. So is my blanket. Ready? For now, cinematic. Yay. Okay. That's not all for today. Okay. Bye, guys. That is a nope. See the slime. Oh gosh, I'm bleeding, guys. One of my veins came out. Oh, it's actually just slime. Hey, plus look, this is actually really cool. Look. Oh no, I broke it in half. Ready? I'm gonna fix it. Fix it magically. Oh, that did not go as planned. Well, I gotta put it in there. Drop this on top of it. And ready? Magically, it comes out as 1. Like, can't even see my. I don't even have it. See, isn't that magical? You gotta do it 2 times for it to work. Plus, you gotta get the shirt kind of slime that I have. Plus, go to Mangoes. If there's a Mangoes near you, go to it. They have the best bread ever. And ready? This looks like dry. It feels like dry water. Here, smell. It smells. It does not. It smells like. It smells like. It doesn't smell like sulfur. It smells a little bit like cleaning supplies. Ready? And now I will remember you. I'm ready. Eat me. I wonder if I can make a fart noise with it. No, it's not that kind of putty. Hold on, this is a quick, funny animation. Hey, yeah, I kind of. Shouldn't you be spilling by now? Yeah. Bye. Just go slowly leak out. Fast forward a little bit. Boom. Hey, it looks like. Wait, I wonder if I can mold this. Hold on. I'm gonna morph it. Okay, I'm gonna morph it into a human. I can't. It just. I'm doing this on wood so that way it doesn't stain my carpet. Wait. Okay, then that is all for today. Bye.